everyone. So in this particular video we are going to do language detection using Mediapipe. So basically the task is very simple. You will be giving some text in a certain language that we generally don't know, and that language will be used to that text will be used to it will be fed into the model, and then we'll try to figure out what language that text belongs to. Okay, so I have written the code over here, you can see, and basically what I have done is I have taken the example over here and then changed, even in fact not even changed, but just made sure that we can run it for a simple one example. After that we can definitely use it in a loop for more than one examples. Okay, so the Mediapipe language detector tasks, it lets you identify the language of a piece of text, as I said. So it consists of this ISO something. This is there. Basically what is there is there are different languages over here, and every language has some let's say an abbreviation over here. Okay, so we basically, let's say if I have to say Afrikaans, so I'll not say Afrikaans, or the model will not say Afrikaans, it will just say AF. So this is how it works. So what you can do over here is basically you can skip all this part. So again, we will be getting two things. We'll be getting the language once we run the model, and the probability score associated with that language. These are the two things that we will get. Models, again, basically there is one model that is it's built to be lightweight and uses embedding based neural network classification architecture, whatever it is. Okay, so again, embedding based. I hope you understand what is embedding based. So what is embedding and how it works and all, and neural network classification architecture. So nothing too big of a model. The model identifies language using ISO 639-1 language code, which I have already shown over here, and it can identify 110 languages. Most of the languages that are major languages can be identified from here. For a list of supported language by the model, see the label file. It is the same thing as this file. Okay, in fact even there is less information over here. So let's start with the example, simple example. Okay, so again the code is going to be in GitHub, and link to that repository, or link to that file will be there in the description, so you don't have to worry. So first what you do is you import Mediapipe, rather you install Mediapipe. So pip install -q for quiet mode and Mediapipe. So this will download Mediapipe for us, and after that you definitely need the model. So this is the only model. You can go over here, you need to click over here. This will automatically start the download, but since I'm using Google Colab, I don't have to think about that. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this. So again, it will be downloaded as detector.tf lite. Okay, so this is the input text that we are using in our case. So this input text, so this is French. Okay, I have so today is a good day or something like that I had written, and this is French. So now what I want to give this particular how to say text to the model, and I want it to print for me what is the output. So as you can see, tf detector.tf lite is already there. Again, the simple base options and creation of the detector. So first you have to again import Mediapipe. From Mediapipe tasks import Python, and then from Python you import text, because we are doing text classification basically. Okay, so base classification, base options is again you create base options and you provide over here the link of the model. After that you again describe options through base options, as you can see over here, and then finally you create the detector using this options. Okay, so once you run this particular cell, after that what you can do is you can say detector.detect. Okay, and then pass in the input text, which is over here. So if you run that particular cell over here, it will run the cell as obviously, and it will generate the results over here in detection_result. So in order to see what are the things that I can do, you can see there is only one thing that I can do, that is detections. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. So over here you go and hit shift and enter. Once you do that, you can see language code is French and probability is 0.9999, which is very, very high. Okay, so let me go over here and let me try to put some English. So the breakfast was very delicious, let's say DLICIOUS. Okay, so let me hit shift and enter. After that, again basic running of all of this, and let's see the detections. So as you can see, the language code is EN, which is English, which is correct, and probability is 99.8%. Now how to get this? Very simple. If you just want to have it in a variable, so you just copy paste this over here, and then you say I think it should automatically come, but if it doesn't come, you just okay, so it's a list, right? So you need to do a 0 over here. because you can see there's a square bracket. So now I think you can give a dot, and hopefully this language code can come. And if it does not come, it means that we need to, let's say, give language detector. Okay, let's see, let's do a dir just to figure out what else is there. And if it is language code and thing is there though, so what you can do is you can go over here, just simply give language code, and I'm going to hit shift and enter. Hopefully it should give en. Yes, correct. So if you just want to verify, you can just say French. Okay, it will take some time, so let's not do that. Okay, let me just say French. Okay, so now, yeah, you can see FR was French, and let's say you also do in English. There's 4, no problem. You can see English is EN. Okay, which means basically we are correct. Okay, so this is your language code, and similarly, if you just want that, you just copy. If you want probability, just copy this over here. You remove the language code and you just say probability, probability. Okay, so you can see you're getting it in as a number. Okay, so this is how you do this particular task. It was a very simple task. Okay, definitely very useful, but yeah, just a couple of lines of code. So I hope you like the video. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and bye.